Hello guys, what is up? BRHD here, back again with another unboxing video. Today we will have a eBay mystery package to unpack. So let's get started. First we need a knife to start unpacking. Wow, here we have a beautiful watch. It is a SKMEI brand. It is a Bluetooth compatible watch. Model number 1227. It is waterproof to 5 atmospheres. Water resistant 5 atmospheres, like it says. So on the face of the watch we have 4 buttons. We have a light button. Here we have the mode button to select different modes. Right now we are in alarm mode, the calendar mode. Next we have the pedometer. It has already done 55 steps. Next we have the calories burned, 2.6 calories, and this is 0 kilometers. It measures the distance via the steps. Here is the alarm. Here is the stopwatch. So you have to click the start button here, and to start you click it again, and here is the reset button, which resets the stopwatch back to 0. So to enable the Bluetooth you need to hold down the light button. Now you can see that the Bluetooth is on. It is searching for a device. And now if you want to pair this watch to your phone, you need a application which is called a X Watch. You can download it from the App Store for free. So it has your kilometers, your calories and your minutes. So now I first have to turn on the Bluetooth. And it has already found my watch, and click the X Watch. It is now connected. Synchronizing successful. And now it has transformed the steps from the watch, which are 55 steps, to my phone. Swiping up, here you have your log from every day till today, and how good were you in your exercise. So too few, normal, standard and active. It has some advices how to improve your personal goals and things like that. You can create your account. So if you receive the message icon will start blinking. If you received a phone call, the phone call icon will start blinking, but the watch has to be connected via Bluetooth to your device. If it's not, then these functions won't work. As you can probably see, I'm a big SKMEI watch fan. They're pretty good quality watches. They are dirt cheap and they are impossible to destroy. I'm saying that because if you look at my first SKMEI watch, that it is filthy from all the dust, the water and everything that was thrown at it. This is a 2-year-old watch. The model number is 0990. Everything works on this watch. It has 2 batteries inside. Now there is only one for the analog mechanism. Here is my second SKMEI watch. This is a 1-year-old watch. You can see that after a year of use, the writing got erased. It was the same writing as on the new watch, and on the top it's gotten all wiped off. On the glass here, I hope you can see. Will it focus? On the glass here you can see a big chip inside. I have banged it in a metal corner, but the glass did not break. I was so amazed at the quality of the glass that it did not break at such hard impact. I'm not saying that you should go and try hitting it with a hammer and anything like that. This is how nice and sturdy these watches are made. So this is it of the unboxing and the review of the new SKMEI watch. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment and subscribe to many more videos that will be uploaded soon on this channel. Thanks for watching and take care.